Hello everybody, welcome back to another legendary video. Well, my name is Mike van Wieren, and together with my brother Harry, I farm on this beautiful dairy farm in southwestern Ontario, Canada. So if you're wondering whereabouts is that, well, there you go. And yeah, if we'll just zoom in a little bit more here. There we go. Just 3 hours from Niagara Falls, half an hour from the bridge to from Sarnia, and yeah, let's dive into this week's video here. Not a whole lot happened, but there's always something to show you guys. So with a little bit of patience, there we go. Good morning, Friday morning. Just follow up from last week. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. Got the electrician here now, and see if we can get some more light in the parlor again. As you can see, got our lights working again. That one of the connectors up there, that second light there, that had a sharp edge on it, and it all kind of peeled the coating away from the wires. So 2 wires were touching, usually not a good sign because it'll short out. And other than that, currently it's -1 outside, but the temperature is about to drop to, what is it, -16 or so by 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. And then we're gonna have a whack load of wind with it, so it should feel more than or around -30. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Blowing snow. We got a blizzard warning out, so we'll see where that goes. Might have to take the snowmobile tomorrow morning, but I guess you'll find out, and so do I. As you can hear and maybe see, the wind is starting to pick up. And outside you can't see a whole lot. But anyway, the ice is coming off nicely, so that's a bonus. Should close the curtains up a little bit more. As you can see, you can't see a whole lot. Still blowing snow out there. Last night we were under a blizzard warning. So this morning, instead of coming with a car or with a pickup truck, I decided to go with the snowmobile. I got myself one 2 weeks ago, and then our second oldest, he got one. So we just took one and just drove up here together. So we'll see what we'll do after feeding. If we'll just take a tractor home, and the other one the snowmobile. So yeah. Still cold out, still -13, 14, something like that. And the only problem we had so far was, well, one of the milking units, same one as a couple weeks ago, that froze up. So yeah, not too bad considering the night we had. I think it was a smart decision that we went with the snowmobile this morning, because trying to get through this road here. And the tractor can't even come through it. So we'll keep pushing away at it. We'll make it through. I think we're supposed to clear up around noon, but doesn't really look like it. Sitting here in the tractor in front of the barn, and every now and then you can see something, and then you can't, because that crazy wind. Ah, well, time to put some straw in the barn for bedding, and make some feed for the heifers. Guess that's That's probably the reason why it went a little tough this morning, because you can see here there's quite a bit of snow back here. Almost got stuck here this morning. So we'll find out what it does now. Okay, it looks nice here. Sun is out for the moment. Won't be long anymore, then the sun is going down. But as you can hear, it's pretty windy yet. But at least the biggest blowing and snowing is done for now. We'll see how it is when we're done milking. And for the ones that are wondering, well, how big is that blade? Well, 12 feet wide. Just took the thing home for to clean around the house, and yeah, of course, on the way back to the farm, I went to made a little video here from the same path we took that morning. Yeah, quite a bit of snow there, and yeah. Take a look at that. Sunday morning. Wind is gone. Sun is out. Minus 17. Yeah, it just makes for a picture perfect morning. Would be nice if it was if it was a little warmer, but it just isn't. So we just gotta take it as it is. Still trying to get rid of that stupid cold I had or got. But well, seems like we're on the better half from it. At least that's what it feels like. So yeah, we'll just get ourselves some milk from the bulk tank and go home, breakfast, and after that go to church and live the rest of the Sunday. Monday morning, minus 20 outside, but milking's done, stuff is cleaned up. All we gotta do left is well, make some feed for milk cows and feed the calves, and then well, hopefully today things will warm up. Yesterday the temperature didn't get above the minus 13. So yeah, it was a nice day. Lots of sun, no wind. Plan was to put the drone up, but by the time I got to it, I had to do chores again. So, but here's the evidence from well, when was it? Friday night. All that wind that came up, all the ice broke off the curtains here, or at least pretty much everything. Still a chunk on there, but yeah. But hopefully tonight, or this past night and this morning was the last bitterly cold one. So temperature's supposed to rise, and then I think tomorrow we're getting some freezing rain, or even overnight already. So well, that's gonna be fun again. Still Monday, same spot here where we had a hard time getting through it with a tractor. Well, as you can see, there's quite a bit of snow here. So yeah, no wonder the tractor had a hard time getting through there. So, Tuesday afternoon, take a look at that. Got a whopping 2 degrees here today. So yeah, spring will be back. In other words, eet uit gelijk, het zal je veel worden. There you go. There you go, another nice little addition to the farm. Oh, nice little heifer calf. So yeah, hutches are filling up nicely, which is a good thing. That means we got replacement again. Finally got the drone up in the air, weather's finally cooperating, and I got some time. So yeah, just there you have it, white. Nothing else to see than just snow, and well, other than the farm and snow. But if you guys got any questions, well, maybe tackle some questions that are coming up. in next week's video. And yeah, just leave your comments here, and then we'll try to get to them next week. Other than that, we'll pretty much close this video off here. Got another little shot coming up here, and that should do it for this week, I hope. Or, well, it better does it, because that's all I got. So anyway, we'll hope you like this video. Like it, share it, comment, whatever you want to do, hype it. And like I said, if you got questions, just leave them here. And we will see you next week. Bye.